Okay, let's see if a 16-pound cat can fit in this box. Go ahead, get in. Get in. Okay, he's almost in. A little more. Get inside. Go ahead. Can he do it? He's going for it. Oh, he is in. He made it in. Unbelievable. Now we're going to go for a little ride. You and I are going for a ride. You ready? Whee! That was fun, huh? Okay, one more ride. You ready? You're going to go across the room. Woo! That's a good kitty cat. You have fun, huh? Say hi to the camera.